In this video, I'm going to show you the things that you need to remember for the marble slides activity. So in the marble slides, what you're going to be doing is creating lines in order to make the marbles hit all of the shapes. So for example, this is one of the slides in the activity. If I hit launch, they just drop straight down. What I need to do is insert some lines so that the marbles hit the stars. So we got to think of some designs. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start by putting in a line. Y equals X is a line. Okay. Now I'm trying to visualize where do I want this line to go so that the marbles can hit the stars. Well, I'm going to start by making this line here. I'm going to change the slope. I want the marbles to come this way. And then maybe I can make them go down like that. Okay. So this is just a design that I'm thinking of right now. So if I want that to happen, I need a line that goes from here down to here-ish. So how can I do that? Well, I like the slope to be positive, but I don't want it to be that steep. So I'm going to change the steepness of the line to 1/2. So 1 divided by 2. Okay, you can also use decimals. So if you didn't want to use 1 divided by 2, you could use 0.5. Now I want to shift my line up a little bit. So plus 2. What happens when I do launch the marbles like that? Whoa. So that time it split. Okay, so you can see that by putting the line on it, it'll split it. My line's still a little too steep for me, so I'm going to change the steepness. I was at 1/2. I'm going to try 1/3. Oops. 1 divided by 3. I'm going to go 1/4. I need to shift my line up a little bit, so I'm going to change the 2 to, let's go with a 5. No, I want to go a little higher. I'm going to go 7. Go back a little bit, so 6. All right, so my marbles now are going this direction, and for this problem, I still need it to go a little higher to get to the star right above it. So I'm going to change my slope once again. I'm going to make it, let's go with a slope of 1/5. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's shift it up to 8, down to 7. All right, let's see if it hits. Oh, cool. So that one does work. Now you may be asking, how am I going to get the stars below it? Well, this is where the next piece comes in. So we can move the lines with the slope and the y-intercept, right? If you do want to make things go down, all you need to do is go in front of your slope and make it negative. So say that I did want to make that go down. If I go back in front here, I can put a negative and it changes the slope of your line to down. Okay? All right, but now I want the marbles to go here, and I need it to stop. And then I'm gonna have to make another line kind of going down this way. So how do I make the line start and stop like that? And that's where by creating an interval, you can do that. So if you hold shift and then the bracket symbol, which is right beside the letter P, it creates this brace. Okay? And I want the line to go all the way. Actually, I don't care if it has a boundary this way. So I want it to go all the way down here. And I want it to stop probably at the 2 mark. So I want all numbers greater than 2. So I want X to be greater than, so I'm going to hold shift, period, greater than 2. So you see now that my line goes all the way for X is greater than 2, but numbers less than 2, it's gone. So now when I hit launch, it's going to get this star. And if I can make another line, kind of bounce them back this way, I can get these ones, right? So let's see if I can do another line. Y equals X. Well, I want this line to go down, so I'm going to go negative. I don't want it to be that steep. I want it to be like this. So that's a slope of down 1 over, let's see, down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to try 1/6. Okay, and then now I need to shift my line up. Let's go with the 7 mark. Plus 7. Okay, let's see what happens. All right. Well, are they ever going to come back? No, they're not. So I need something to kind of reflect these points back. So I'm going to put a bumper. If I want a vertical line, I could do x equals. So x equals, I'm just going to go with 0 to put that bumper right here. So now it's going to not let them keep going too far to the left. Ooh, so there we go. Now I've got 2 of the stars. Okay? And then say I want it to come back. I'm not for sure my design quite yet, but I want it to stop like right here, and then I might do 2 other lines like this to see if I can get both stars. So how would I do that? Well, if I wanted to stop that line, I'm going to do shift right beside the P to get up that brace. And I want this line to stop at, let's just go with 8. Okay, so I want all numbers less than 8 for x. So I'm going to go x, shift, less than sign, 8, and then finish my brace. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, so now I'm on track, I'm getting closer. This is not the only way to answer this question. I'm just right now trying my best to figure out a path. Okay, so in this video, my purpose is just to show you how to mess with the lines and change things. I also wanted to show you that if you want a vertical line to do like a bumper like I did, you could do x equals. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is you need to do slides 1 through, let's see, when do the challenges start? You need to go through slides 1 through 15, and then I want you to do at least 3 of the challenges. I don't care which slides you want, so whatever slides that you find easiest, do those, okay? So if you like this one, if you can picture a nice design for this one, go ahead and do that one. Maybe this one you can't quite tell. Well, you can skip it and do another one. You just have to do 3 of the challenges. I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out if you need any guidance. Thanks for watching.